What's up? Matt here from Urchfab. Today I'm just carrying on with the frame jig for the custom bike I'm building for Rob from Extreme Plasma. And my goals for this video are to make the bracketry that will hold the head tube. This will mount on it, you'll be able to tilt it back and forwards. And so I'm going to cut another piece of this solid 50 by 20 bar. And I need to connect this to that piece of bar. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some flats into the side of this threaded bar, and then cut a slot through the center of a piece of that, and then this can slot in. Then I know that this is all running dead straight in parallel with this. That was one I got wrong, got the measurement wrong. So that's a 15mm slot, and then I've machined these flat, and the reason I've done that is basically just to hold everything. That slots in there. It did slot in there. She's a bit tight. So I can just put a couple of little welds on there. Nothing crazy, because I don't want to pull or move anything. But that is just to make sure that that is dead straight in the center of there. Alright, so that's that bit sorted. I can slot that in there, and that, you can see that that is bang down the centre of these two pieces, which is what I want, obviously. So now I'm going to make my bracket that will sit on this, and then this is just going to obviously swing up and down. Alright, so this is basically what I've got for my plates. I f***ed that up. What have I done there? Right, I've got a 55mm gap between there, and it should be 75mm. So, I'm not sure how I've ended up with that. I think rather than remake those, it'd be easier just to drill another hole in that. So that is what I'm going to do. So this works really well. I can see if I drop it all the way down, that's exactly in the centre of these two rails. You only have to sort of snug it and it nips up really tight. So now we just need to make our, gonna make some cones or some kind of little boss things that will locate the head tube. Alright, now I'm going to make the little cone things that are going to hold the head tube in place. I've got these are just some scrap offcuts from something, don't know what they're for, but they'll do the job for this. I made 3 cones in the end. Because this one was cut, I was just having trouble getting it in there straight, and it cut a little bit kind of off center. Because fixturing it on the threaded bar is obviously when you pinch the nuts up either side, the nuts tweak over and it's just pulling it. I needed to fixture that somehow, either on a tight fitting like straight shaft, or actually get that into the chuck somehow. But I did that one with it sort of a big washer on the back of that face, and that seemed to hold that. I think and then the other one I just got lucky with how it was sat in the chuck, and it seemed to run a lot truer, so but they're good enough anyway. Right, that's the front end done, sorted. All works exactly as I wanted it to. Thanks again to Rob from Extreme Plasma for all the materials. Rob's funding this build. It's going to be a promotional bike for his company. So if you're interested in the plasma table that I used for cutting out the parts for this jig, then there's a link in the description to his website, where you can go and have a look at that. But that's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.